Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Elmtowne Village, Winslow Township, New Jersey. It's an over 55 community, very, very popular. And we have a unit here, 112 Elmtowne Boulevard, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's take a walk. This property has 3 beds, 2 full baths, and it's got this huge driveway. Seller is selling this driveway as is, but you could see that you could easily accommodate God knows how many cars, maybe 7, 8 perhaps. It's got the carrier air conditioning unit on the outside, and it's 112. Walking in, the floors are real nice. The windows are not new, but they are replacement windows. Upstairs you have a carrier air conditioning coil and a Lennox furnace. So you got this beautiful living room here, dining area, windows galore, and you have a very scenic view of all of nature's bounty out there, all kinds of bird feeders, real nice. Big kitchen, probably could put a table in here, but you have the dining area there. L-shaped, nice and neat. And then in here you have your washer and dryer. Let's check this sunroom out. In the afternoon, you're gonna have copious amounts of sun. A little cloudy today, but you get the idea. And you have a view of the lake in the back. There's swans, ducks, all kinds of beautiful wildlife. Bird feeders, trees, real nice and serene. In this section of the home, we have 3 of the bedrooms and the 2 baths, and I'll show you those. This is the first one. This is gonna be the smallest bedroom. Check that out. This would be bedroom number 2. And then the master bedroom, we'll call this bedroom number 1. So it's a very big space, nice windows to the exterior. You have a full closet, and you have a full bath with a stand-up shower, all self-contained. I'll share with you the other full bath in the hall. It's got a soaking tub, vanity, nice and neat. And just above us, you're not going to be able to see that, is the pull-down attic, and that's where your HVAC system is located, and you have plenty of storage out there. You also have a big shed on the side. That's all yours. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know somebody that wants to move into Elmtowne, make sure you share it with them. And if you really love the content, give us a subscribe. I got 3 beds, 2 full baths, Elmtowne Boulevard. The association fees are approximately $241. They cover a lot of different things. Roofs are included, certain aspects of the septic and well, of course your landscape and snow removal, all with certain limitations, and we'll get into that detail once you make the offer on the property. The grounds here are tremendous. You back up to the lake, which is very, very nice. This property has a carrier air conditioning system and a Lennox furnace, and it also has auxiliary heat if you want independent control of each room with the electronic thermostats, where you have electronic baseboard heating. All in all, it's a terrific property, and as always, Joe Wiessner, I want to see you at the settlement table.